In this video, I will show you which is the best way to withdraw US dollars from interactive brokers. Hint, the answer is WISE. After that, I will also walk you through a quick step-by-step guide on how to transfer your money from interactive brokers to WISE. So first up, let's start with a quick comparison. Most banks will charge you $5 to $10 just to receive US dollars deposits, with the main exceptions being CIMB Bank, Citibank, and WISE. When it comes to withdrawing US dollars, most banks will also charge outward remittance fees. The only notable exception is DBS, which lets you send US dollars to a US bank account for free. WISE, on the other hand, charges a small $1.13 fee, which is still far cheaper than all the other options. That makes WISE the cheapest choice overall. Though, of course, WISE isn't perfect and comes with a few limitations. Because of MAS regulations, you can't hold more than 2,000 SGD worth of account value in your WISE balance for more than 2 days. Fortunately, there is a simple workaround. If you move the money into a WISE interest account, this balance limit doesn't apply. Another restriction is that you can't send or spend more than 100,000 SGD within a 12-month period. So, if you need to send a bigger amount, then it's better to use one of the banks instead. Next, here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to withdraw US dollars from IBKR to WISE. But first, if you don't have a WISE account already, you can sign up via my link to get up to £500 worth of fee-free transfers. Once your WISE account is open, the next step is to set up a US dollar account in WISE. Simply log in, click on the New button, then select Add a Currency and choose US dollars. Next, head over to IBKR and go to the Transfer and Pay menu. From there, click on Transfer Funds, select Withdraw Funds, then make sure the currency is in US dollars. You will then see an option to transfer to WISE balance. Choose Use this method and log in to your WISE account when prompted. After you have linked your WISE account, save the bank details and confirm them using your IBKR login credentials. Once your account is linked, you can begin the actual withdrawal. Go back to Transfer and Pay again, click on Withdraw Funds, and again choose to transfer to your WISE balance. IBKR will then show you the amounts that you are able to withdraw with and without margin loan. I recommend staying within the without margin loan limit, otherwise you'll be slapped with margin interest. Also, do remember that IBKR will only give you one free withdrawal per calendar month. Once the money arrives, you will have two options. You can either keep it in WISE and even move it into the WISE interest account to earn some return. Though, it's important to note that this comes with investment risks. Alternatively, you can convert the US dollar into another currency and withdraw it to your local bank account. Anyway, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every week.